T-dub and a couple of wheelers. So getting excited. I wish you guys could be here in person, man. This is an absolutely epic area. Look at those peaks. We're staying right at the base of them there. And just having a fantastic time. The girls are behind me in the truck. Hope it's a good day. It was 30 degrees last night and snowing. And our original plan was to go up to Meadow Lake. I'll put a picture up here of Meadow Lake for you guys. We're going to go up there and fish and ride, go to a ghost town, but I think they might have got a foot of snow last night, according to some pictures we saw. So we're just going to ride on here and make the best of it, and it should be a great day. We're going on a big loop and let Logan do some fishing. Aaron's nice enough to be our guide today, so we're looking forward to it. All right, guys, Driggs, Idaho here. Little mountain town, right at the base of the Tetons. And if you ever come here, that little Brolam's Fresh Foods is a good place to grab some food supplies. All right, guys, I just riding along here looking at this beautiful landscape. It just occurred to me I need to mention how absolutely blessed I am to be able to do this with an awesome family and friends. Couldn't do it without good family, good friends, good customers, and the good Lord up above. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching and riding along. This should be a great journey. Yesterday we staked our mining claim, and today it's all about having fun, bringing you guys along. So ride along, guys. Look at this area. What a place. Wow. Now this is a nice place. Caribou Targhee National Forest, really nice, man. I just saw some really good single track back there, and our ATV1, it looked nice though. We're still en route to seeing Mr. Aaron. How beautiful though, man. Wow, we just came over this mountain pass, headed down here to Swan Valley. What a state, man. The Snake River. Beautiful, man. Look at this. Something else, let me tell you. Yeehaw! I rode up there, I was like, make sure in another parking lot. Man, what a view up there.
Go up a little more, and there's a little pull-off before that T.
Can park there. Do you have an okay ride?
What's that?
Do you have an alright ride over?
How
Yeah.
long you guys been here?
Man, listen, that ride across that valley.
That's cool.
Woo! We just got here. Why come y'all always look so judgmental? I ain't mean. Easy now. You always have that judging face though.
Looks like a little buck.
Yeah, I know it.
I think I see little spikes.
Is it a mule deer?
I'm trying to get a look at it, but I can't tell. My eyes aren't so good, but
Go on.
I can see.
Go on up there and check it out.
It's sitting there looking at him.
Yeah. He loves animals, boy. Look, it ain't
Look at this stuff.
it ain't spooked a bit.
There it goes now.
There it goes.
It's probably a mule deer, but
Yeah.
it's weird because in here is where you do get whitetails, but I think that real estate down there is a little pricey, Chris.
Oh, holy cow. Yeah. You gonna get deep in the pocket behind that, ain't you? I guarantee it. It's probably Kevin Costner or somebody lives right there.
I think, honestly, there probably are some of them kind of places down there.
Yeah.
If you brought your own, I promise you there will be others that will eat the same thing.
That's what I'm thinking. They'll eat it.
Logan will for sure. No names.
I just went to Subway and
Okay. Son, it caught some of that branch. They just free range, ain't they?
Yeah, and then that guy down there, remember that trailer that was down there?
Do they drop them off and then just come back later?
That guy with that, there was a camp, like a wagon down in there. He herds them.
They got like a sheep herder's
It's like a
trailer.
mini camper.
Yeah, yeah.
That's cool.
Boy, they got the sheep, don't they?
Got a lot of them. A lot of them.
Mercy. There's that camper.
Yeah, I see it down there now.
I've seen them guys off. I mean, they must have been gone for months at the time, man. Just way off in the middle of nowhere. Some of those things are a lot ruggeder than that. They pull them with horses.
I mean, that thing there, those are weird trailers, but that's what all of them use.
Yeah.
Must be something good about them.
They must be lightweight.
They all use that thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, switchbacks.
That looks like that goes to a campground, and that's something canyon, according to my map.
You looked at that one on there?
Yeah, I can see across the road, the highway.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I forget you're always looking at it real time.
Yeah. Death by GPS view.
Yeah.
What was you doing when you went off the cliff, Chris? Well, Aaron asked me where the turn was. And
Looking at the map.
and that. Little squirrely. I got over here in the thick stuff.
Get it out on the edge.
Yeah, I was on the edges filming the girls, and it got a little wonky. You just have to grit it and ride it out. Your jacket's like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. That's blow up with the wind. Like the Michelin Man.
Yep. Ghostbusters.
That's Marshmallow Man, that's it. This is awesome, man.
Look down through there.
I know, it's like that's what me and Cody have ridden before. These kids are loving this, man. What a trail. Shout out to Aaron for showing us this cool stuff too, and letting us use his bikes. That's fine.
I want to see if this will go to the top.
Okay.
I'm assuming we're at the top.
There ain't none of this on the map that I see.
So this was made by someone.
Yeah.
I guess this goes down the other side.
This it looks like it comes back out right there below where we could do a circle maybe. Yeah, see where that comes out. Let her drive a little bit in a little while. You want to ride this? You're going to have to be real careful.
I need a helmet on.
You really should, yeah. Craig finally let me drive the TW. I'm scared of a bear. Bear's just gonna snatch me right off of this bike. Whoa, Johnny. Whoa, Johnny. Whoa, Johnny. Whoa, Johnny. Look, they just want to kill me. Them rocks just want to kill me. Just want to kill me. Whoa. Whoa, Johnny. Whoa. Yeah. Like a boss. Oh, yeah. Dirt bikes. Wham! Wham! Swallowed a bug. Did not like it, man. Whoa! Whoa! Golly! Rock just hit me sideways. Woo! Whoa no! Whoa no! About that. About that again. Everything's wanting to kill me in Idaho. Can't do it. Straight down. Straight down. I'm talking straight down. Dude, I don't like this.
Let me ride this. Get on there with her. It's not bad on four-wheel. Both brakes, Pave, go easy. It should be fine.
I got you.
Alright.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Here. Easy here. Should be almost out, y'all. Be careful. Awesome. Right, Blakely, but be careful. Look at there. Holy cow. Oh man.